If you're looking for a fully updated Lake of the Ozarks home with lake access, brand new appliances, and a location just minutes away from Lake of the Ozarks' best shopping, entertainment, and restaurants, this is a listing you're not going to want to miss. Welcome to 338 Crane Cove in Sunrise Beach, where this 2025 fully remodeled house has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, just over 2,000 square feet, and just a few steps away, you have your own personal boat slip right off the 10-mile marker. If you're looking for a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or an investment property with strong rental potential, this home checks all the boxes. For more questions, give us a call at our office at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks for checking this out.